Behind me, we have a 2015 R8 GT with competition package. This is a prime example of Audi's cutting-edge performance in structural engineering. The vehicle came to us with major front-end damage. Lucky for the client, we are one of the few facilities in Florida approved by Audi to do aluminum repairs. To ensure the vehicle was not compromised and properly assessed for damage, the vehicle was mounted on a select bench and moved into our aluminum repair facility. The damaged inner structure was removed and the new parts were pre-installed. The only way to ensure proper placement is by utilizing the select bench. The welding and bonding of the structure was completed using our Audi approved equipment. The front inner structure is refinished and all the mechanical components are reinstalled. To ensure a factory finish, all the components are refinished off of the vehicle. After the refinish work is completed in one of our state-of-the-art paint booths, each panel is meticulously inspected. We complete a multi-step sanding and polishing procedure to ensure a factory use. The vehicle is reassembled by hand and polished one more time. And here it is, the Audi R8 GT back to factory specs.